Sir.
Hello, good morning, Putta. Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, everyone. We're going to see today a new part. We call it creating an email account. Okay. Okay. Turn to page number 125.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Putta. Wait for a while. Okay, right. So today we're going to see and creating an email account. Okay. Okay, so right, so look at the page number 125. Okay, right.
Okay,
so,
sir.
Right. So first of all, we discussed last time what is the part of the email. Good morning, Putta. Right. So we discussed last week. So what are the parts of an email? So what are the parts of an email?
Which page number?
Page number 125, Putta.
Email address.
Yeah, in the email address.
Address.
Yeah, in the email address, what are the
Email
parts?
folders.
Yeah, folders we discuss. What are the main parts of an email? There are two parts. What are the two parts? Jalika? Anuda? So we have two parts. What is the username and the domain name? No? Yeah, the username and the domain name. Then, so those two parts are separated by which symbol? Isa.
Symbol.
On the at symbol, no?
Symbol.
At symbol, you have to make it. Okay, so we have discussed what is the email address and what are the parts of that one, and what can we do, what is the advantages of that also, and as well as what are the components, some of the components, what we have discussed, inbox, then the draft, then send mail, those things. Okay, so today we are going to see to how to create an email account, right? So normally we want to create an email account. There's a rule. Okay, so there's a one rule called in the creating email. You must be at least 18 years old. That's the rule they have given. Sometimes some emails are not considering that, but most of the emails are now considering you should be 18 plus. Is it clear? So I'm going to create a new email account. Okay. So let's see, we are going to create from the famous email account from the Gmail account. Now, can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to now change this
sir.
in Sinhala. I'm going to change into English. So if this is coming, I'm going to change to English. Okay. Right now it's in English, right? Right. So I'm going to create an email account. So when you just go to the Google, say google.com, right? So you can see the Gmail here, or you can search here Gmail, right? Then you can go to Gmail, right? Let's see, right? So it's come there. Now these are the ones we have already logged. Now we are already logged from this computer. Their accounts are visible here. Now from here, my email and some of this Malhari teacher's email, likewise, they have logged from this computer. So I'm going to create a new email account, right? For that one, I want to use another account. Okay, right. Now you are getting this window, right? So you are getting this window. So first of all, so we're going to create a new email. So here comes new account means you can sign in. If you are already a new person, we say, is this Jalika? You can type his Jalika's email and then log in. But before that, you should create an account for that. So that's, now I don't have an email account. Think about, you don't have also email account. So therefore I'm going to create a new account here. Is it clear, Akish? Jalika? Right. So click this button, Isak. So he's asking, once you click create, so you can create for two purposes. So what are these two purposes? Right, there are two purposes. We can create for myself to manage a business. Now you can see so many companies have their email accounts, right? So for that, they can create for their business account. Okay, right? So we just see now I'm going to create for my personal account. Okay, so therefore I'm going to create for myself. Okay, click this. Right. Now can you see the screen? Dulansa?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you can see what are the, we have to fill this in this form. We have to select first fill the first name, then the last name, then as I said, what we discussed in the email, what you can see, you have to give my username, no? The username, you can see the @ sign here.
Username.
Yeah, username, what should be username? I can say Buddhika or buddhika@gmail.com, right? So here it say at gmail.com. What is this gmail.com means? It's the domain name. Is it clear? Then you have to give a password for that and you have to confirm the password again. So then you have to like, so let's see how to begin. Okay, so I'm just going to enter my here account, one of these. I'm just going to here. I'm going to type first name is Buddhika. So I'm going to type my next name is Gayan. Right? So it's my Buddhika Gayan. Right? So once you here, you can see it's automatically getting this one. No? Did you see that? Once I type my name,
Sir.
yeah, Gayan Buddhika 444. So don't you take that email account as your username. Sometimes these may be used for the hackers. So because the hackers people are, it's automatically, you can see even before I create the username, they have gave me this account, no? Jalika. Okay, Dulansa, did you see? So this name has given for me. So don't take it that I just want to change this name. So I just remember when you type in your username, always use with letters. But use what? Simple letters. Otherwise, which call what? If you're using capital letters, we call shouting. We discussed that one. It's called shouting. Okay. So we just using here. I'm using my email account as this way. So without spacing, or you can keep that one as a Buddhika Gayan 2020. Right? So that is my new account I'm going to create for myself. Okay. So here, now here you can see Buddhika Gaya no spaces 2020 then at gmail.com. Then I want to confirm my password. So I have to type my password. Here, can you see? That username is already taken. Why is that? Why is a red color indicate message here comes? Why is that, Akesh?
The name is
Yeah.
being saved.
Yeah, that name is already taken by someone else. I don't know. Right? So for that, I cannot use this email username. Why? Someone is already have from this account. Okay. So I have to change this one. So I want to change this. So I just see what's going to change. I just say this one 2020 Guyana like this. Let's see this one. Now did it get a message like earlier?
No.
No. Now you can see. So when you have already that name has taken by someone else, there may be similar names. There may be so many Buddhika. There may be so many Gayans. So many people, same names. So therefore, that's why it's getting that message. Okay. Now I have take to this one. I told you this should be what unique. It should be only belongs to you. No one can else. If there are 10 Buddhikas, there should be 10 Buddhikas emails. Right? Is it clear? If there are 10 Januda, there should be 10 Januda's emails. Okay. Each one should have a unique username. Okay, that's why I make it unique. So I just make it this unique from that way, Buddhika 2020 Gaya. Right? Then you can see here, you can see there are some available like this. Don't take this one. So it might be take it into a problem in later. Okay. So I'm going to type a password here. Right. So you should have a letters and numbers together. So at least you should have 8 characters, right? So 8 characters should be there. So if I type here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now once you click this I, you will see the password that I'm typing here. It's invisible. Can you see? Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you are typing, it's there. Normally, don't use this kind of password for your user account or your password. It will be easy for someone called hackers to trace your account, and they can do many damages to you also, right? So I'm not going to use this one. So I'm going to hide this one, and I just going to create my password. Okay. Right, now just type this to, you have to type the same password what I have typed here in here also to confirm. Okay, Dulansa, Akesh, Januda, clear? Right, so I'm going to press next button. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, so what's that? Please choose a strong password. Try a mix of letters. Now they are not allowing me to go for the next level. Why? My password is too simple. Is it clear? If my password is too simple and which doesn't have these characters they are expecting, this give an error. So I'm going to use a very little bit more powerful one. Right, let's see. I just use a new password for now here. Okay, now let's see next. So it's been, if I miss a one letter here, what I type here, it also give error. So I have to do it from the beginning. Okay, I just go in here. All right, let's see again. Next. Until it's go through, it's coming there. Right? Any questions up there? Jalika? Right? Right. Then when you create an email account, you should have your phone or your mobile phone with you, because they are sending a passcode for you, right? So therefore, you should have, okay, now you can see it asks my phone number. Phone number is required here. So here, what does this indicate? It's the country belongs to you. If you are creating an email account in UK, you have to press the UK. If you are creating an email account from Australia, you have to pick up. Here, you can see the countries are here. Can you see? Now I had to pick up my country Sri Lanka. So I select Sri Lanka, right? So it's coming +94. Can you see the code is +94. If you are in Afghanistan, it's coming +93. If you are in Bangladesh, like this one. Yes.
The meaning of
Sorry.
94 plus 93, that numbers.
That's the country code, Puta. That's the country code given from the international communications. So, right. So each country has a unique ID country code. So without that, you cannot connect. If you want to communicate with Japan, it's 08. If you are communicating USA, it's 01. Okay, +001 like that. So we have our country has given us +94. Okay, now I'm going to enter my mobile number. So this is my mobile number. Here they are asking recovery email. Recovery means what? If suddenly I forget my password, example, I forget my password. Okay, so it's given to recovery email. They will send me back the password again to my recovery email. This means if I forget, they will send me the password to my to another email account if I have. So I have given recovery email as this is my old email because it's my common email buddhi167@gmail.com, right? So therefore I had to this one. Then I had to put my birthday. So they are checking whether you are below the 18 years or like that one, right? So this year I'm going to enter. So you're going to enter the month. Okay, right? So then you have to select my gender, male or female. So I'm just select this one. So this is my thing, right? So this I have to fill. So this one. Then we say next. Okay, now you can get in the we call agreement. So what is the privacy terms and those things? So you have to agree this one, right? So when you get in this screen, can you see in my right side corner there's a called save password?
Yes, sir.
They say Microsoft Edge will save and fill your password for this site next time. So don't click save. Don't say save to your this browser. So I don't save this one. So I say never. Okay. So here once this comes here, Putar, you have to agree. So there are some rules that conditions are there. It's called agreement. So I will say agree. Okay. So until you say agree, it will not go to next level, right? So I agree. Right? Right. Now you can see, now you are having something called a new meeting. Now, like you are doing Zoom, now they have given a video meeting capacity also for you. So now you can see here, you can see Google Meet now in Gmail also. So you can do that also, a new one. So you say, okay, right? Then you can see this is my email, right? So I have created my email account. Now, so you can see this is my first email. You can see the things we discuss. What's inbox? Now, how many emails in this inbox I have already? How many there, Januda? Upeksha? How many are there, Puta? How many? Look at this screen. Look at this. How many are there? Only one. One is there. You can see one only there, right? One email is there, right? Right. So one email there. So let's see how to send an email first. Okay. Okay. Is it clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at the page number 126. So it's the composing and sending,
sir.
composing and sending an email. So how to compose? Compose means you are going to create or you're going to send a first email to you. Okay, now I'm going to create my first email. So I'm going to say compose. Press this button. Can you see, Dulansa? Okay, right? So look at here. Okay, Januda, Jalika. Right, Isaac, okay, compose. Now once you press compose, you are getting this window. Right? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Right, now you can see there are here. Right, now look at. Right, now you can see here we have two, then we have, right, we have two, then you have to say subject, right? Then there's come kind of here fonts there. Let's see how to do. First this one, so I have to type my to whom I'm going to send this email. So for first one, I just put my old email. Okay, I just say here buddhi167@gmail.com. Okay, what is this subject about it? So what is this email about it? You have to mention. Very, very important, right? So first thing is you have to mention, then you have to say subject, right? So subject, I will just say testing email for Gmail, right? Gmail account, okay? Right, Gmail account. Okay, that is my topic. Okay, it's like a topic, you have to mention the subject. Now there you can type whatever you want the message, right? So here I just say, dear Buddhika, you can say how are you? You can see it's automatically coming. It's called artificial intelligence. So you say, you can see here. What are you doing? Right. Hope everyone are safe, are doing well here, like that. So right, then you can say regards. Say right. So like at this. Now that's the message. So for this one, I can do here. I can do attach a picture. So how do you going to attach a picture and do those things? So I'm going to see. You can see a clip here. You know, file clip. You can see here. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
When you click this one, it will ask to attach the file I want. So right. So I'm going to take this one and say pictures. If you want to have. If I want to take desktop here. Yeah, if I want to add this picture, this bike picture. Now the picture is attached here. Can you see? Here is there. Now if I want to have another picture attached.
We can't.
Sorry, Buddha. Can't see.
We can't see the picture.
Wait. Right, so here we can't see, but when you send it, you can see what's the picture you have sent. You say, I want to send this picture. Now you can see these two pictures has already attached, okay? Right, now you can see there are two pictures already attached to this one, right? So here you can put a signature. Signature means what? So you can put who's sending, the signature likewise. Now we know definitely this signature belongs to Jalika. This signature belongs to the Januda. This belongs to the Dulans. This belongs to the Buddhika sir. So how do you know this one? So you can say manage signature. So you can see the I'll just show you again that one. Okay, we just send this one. Once you send it, it will go to this person's only. Okay. Now there are two options are there. Here, this signature settings. Can you see? Now here, your signature. You can put a signature here. Can you see? I can create a new signature here. So I can say create. My signature is right. So this is my signature, Buddhika Gayan, right? So here it's there. So you can make it nicely. So you can make it bold, right? You can type. Right. So here I can make this little bit bigger. And this one I can make it different colors also. You can see background text color. You can see I just make it this one. Right. Then I can make the other one is blue. Like this we can create, right? So then this is the one you can write. Right. So we have this. Right. Then you have to mention. You can save the changes. Right. So you can do the changes. You can say save. Right. So we have this. Now we just take this one. So we have make this signature, right? I know I'm going to send this email. Now, before that, I want to show you what is this. They are called CC and BCC. What is BCC? BCC means with a blind carbon copy. What is that? Blind carbon copy. CC means
Blind carbon copy.
yeah. The CC means carbon copy. Okay. Example, we say, okay, if I put BCC, okay, and I will put, if I put principal's email, and I just put CC and put you all your emails, we say, I will say Jalika at gmail.com. Okay, and I just put here principal Lambalangoda. Principal underscore AMB at successcollege.net. Okay, now what is the difference between this? Okay, now who's sending? Me. I'm sending to this one, to principal and to Jalika. And I just put here someone more. We say Dulansa. Okay. Dulansa at gmail.com. Now what is this difference between here, Putta? This means once you send this one, Jalika and here BCC, so they don't know, right? So here this email address are hidden. Hidden means they are not know. The other people who say Buddhika and principal doesn't know I have sent to this Jalika and Dulansa also. Okay, but Jalika and Dulansa know I have sent this email to principal as well as to Buddhika. Okay, so it indicates this one. So that is the reason, right? So it's hidden from the other users. If you put BCC, these are hidden. Now even Dulansa doesn't know I have sent to this to Jalika, and Jalika doesn't know I have sent this email to Dulansa. Is it clear? What is PCC means?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I mention Dulansa here under PCC, Dulansa doesn't know I have sent to Jalika. She knows only I have sent to what? To whom? To principal and to Buddhi 167. Right? Once you put Jalika here, Jalika doesn't know whether I have sent to Dulansa, but he knows I have sent to principal and Buddhi. But when you see the principals, once he read in principal, he only knows I have sent this email to only to what? Buddhi 167. Not he doesn't know I have sent to what? Jalika or Dulansa even. Okay, right? Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Right. So that's about
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, right. So here we have that's the thing. Okay, BCC and this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's one here, right? So we have to make it that. Okay. Then after that, once you press this button, okay, once you send, then send, it will go to send. Now, if there's an email address is wrong, it will say it's wrong. Okay. Let's see whether it's going now. Message is sent. Now let's see under here we have learned no sent email. I can find out what are the emails I have sent. So here testing email. Now you can see here there's a message come here. Can you see? Once I send, it came back me an email account. See here, this Jalika's email doesn't exist. So here can you see if there's a one letter missing or one number is missing in the email, it will be wrong and it will be come back the email to you. Okay, is it clear? So you can say your message wasn't delivered to jalik@gmail.com because that this couldn't be found or unable to receive. Did you see that? Is it clear? Right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, the last one you have to do is, right? Once you go out from this computer, you have to sign out. Why? If someone come, we say after me, there will be another teacher here. So she or he, once you go to Gmail, he or she may see my email account. Once here, okay, I just show you. Okay, I didn't sign out. I just close this. Okay, I'm going to open. Right. So I can type here gmail.com. Right. So see, it automatically comes load my email. See, I didn't sign out. Now it will load automatically from my browser. Did you see that one? Now anyone who comes to this computer can read my emails. That is not good. Therefore, when you go out, Putta, you have to what? Sign out. Go to here. There's option called sign out. Can you see? So here, click this button,
Yes.
then sign out. Okay. Now let's see again. I just close this. I'm going to go to this Gmail account again. Double click my browser Edge. I'm just typing gmail.com. Now can you see? No. Now you have to click the account and you have to log it here. Can you see? Earlier it came automatically. No, it opens my email. No. Now you have to click one account and you have to log it. Is it clear? Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you, children, for joining today. Okay. So we will see you on next week with a new topic called social networking. Okay. Children, thank you for joining. Okay. I will put this video if you want, okay, in your group also. Okay. Is it possible for you, right? Okay. Please refer that. Okay. Thank you, children.
Goodbye, sir.